They swap over. Somebody takes
does the downstairs.
Yes, that's the worst.
This was the moment Garnish Island really hit me. A perfect reflection, still as glass. You can even see the little Italian pavilion there in the water. Or is it called a casita? I'm honestly not sure. If you know, drop it in the comments. Missy and I are just crossing over to take a closer look. From up here, the view looks like a painting. I'm just pointing out across the bay something that I can see that maybe looks like a glamping pod, but I can't find anything about it online, so maybe it's not that. Either way, it's hard to tell where the gardens end and the sea begins. That's just stunning, that view there is amazing. Missy led the way straight across the grass. We later found out you're not actually supposed to go on the grass, but look at this dog. It's impossible to say no. You going around? I'm gonna go over. You're not going anywhere near the water, are you? You don't like water, dog. This dog does not like water. She's just mad for road. Sorry for all the upcoming sections, guys. I was really out of breath and I just kept recording. This is the entrance to the Martello Tower. Hi. Let's go explore inside. So, this is the inside of the Martello Tower. These were defensive structures built during the Napoleonic Wars. And this one here on Garnish Island is a little bit different because it was straight walled on all sides. Most of them were angled. Okay, so let me tell you guys, this is a bit tight for a big guy with a camera on a pole. So, definitely would have been fairly easy to defend this from up above, because that is not easy to climb, let alone if you're wearing some sort of armor or gear. So these are the battlements. I don't know if there would have been a gun mounted here or not. Not really sure what the story would be with that. But let me tell you, and I'll show you in a minute, it has an expansive view over the bay here. You can see everything. Obviously, it's a full 360, but you could easily protect this position from this tower. Easily. It's pretty amazing. I'll give you just a couple of seconds to appreciate being in the middle of the circle there. And then I'll bring you over here to this part. And yes, the Martello Tower would have had a gun up here once. Built in the early 1800s, watching the coastline for French ships, hard to imagine it now, especially when you're surrounded by all this peace. I've brought you over to roughly where I was standing a while ago. And if you look around you now, I think you'll probably get some of the most beautiful views you're ever going to get in Ireland. This is West Cork at its finest. It's beautiful. You've got the mountains over here on the right hand side. Some more on your left and behind, a little bit lower. But then you just have that incredible view out over what is essentially Bantry Bay. This is stunning. Absolutely stunning. So, we're gonna head down these very, very tight spiral staircase again. See what you guys think. Were these built for a man of my stature? They're quite wet, quite slippy, and they are very, very small steps. Built for defense, these would have been formidable. So, what did you think of the Martello Tower? I thought it was pretty amazing myself. The walled garden feels like a hidden corner. Calm, sheltered, and almost completely silent. You made it over? All right, so Marianne has decided to take a bit of a breather for a little while. So Missy and I are going to take off up and look for the Grecian Temple, I think it's called. It's like a temple that looks out over the bay. It was built as part of the gardens here in Garnish Island. So let's go look for those. These steps are gorgeous. They're not as slippy as they look, even though they're wet. So that's pretty good. So the island today is giving off some serious private island vibes. There's no one here. During the summer, the place is full of families, full of kids, full of people enjoying it, as they should. Wow, wow, wow. Even Missy's up to have a look. Guys, that is incredible. What an incredible view. Oh my God. Like, this was a private island. So could you imagine sitting here in this temple, having like afternoon tea or maybe drinks in the evening with this view in the background? So Marianne found her new friend, the cat, over there, and Missy and I have been relegated to over here. She's chosen her side, guys. She's chosen her side. Over there with the food and the tea and the cat, and Missy and I have been relegated to over here. And that's how our day ends. Just us, the little ferry drifting past, and a picnic with a view. If you enjoyed this little wander around Garnish Island, give it a like and a subscribe for more 360 adventures with Missy, Marianne, and me. See you in the next one.